Hello?
Okay lang, wala naman.
Okay, let's try.
Ay nangay kanya mangmanggagdak.
When?
One.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello. So can we hear everybody?
One. Hello.
Teacher Chris, mangmanggagdak. Ay naririnig mo ako, hindi ka pala nakakaintindi ng Ilocano. Ano ba yan?
Kaya pala. Sorry, Teacher Chris.
Uy, naintindihan ko yung one.
So, we can hear everybody. Let's
Yes.
try making a group call. Yeah, using this and Twidla.
Twiddla.
Do you think that's possible? Let's try it later.
Sige.
Unfortunately, Teacher Chris might not be with us. Tomorrow ka na lang makikijoin, Teacher Chris. Ano?
Okay po. Pero,
4:30 kasi ang free time ng iba. Free time ni Teacher Marilyn.
Okay lang.
naman po.
Okay lang daw si Teacher Chris. Oo.
Ah,
Pwede siyang
I see.
maki-join.
Okay. So, ito na lang gagamitin natin for today as long as may accomplish tayo. na
Sige.
Call. You know?
Oo. Sige.
We'll try later again.
Oo.
Cheers.
Sige.
Bye-bye.
Bye.